Alexa, will it rain today?
It might rain tonight. There is a 31% chance at 5 p.m.
Alexa, turn off the living room.
Okay.
Alexa, set home temperature to 72 degrees. Play music. Alexa, set an alarm for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Himvision Sunrise Alarm Clock aimed to help you enjoy a comfortable and prolonged sleep. The light mimics the sunrise and sunset to set your sleep duration, so you can wake up naturally. There are 7 kinds of unique ringtones to choose, and smooth function prepare yourself for a new day. It allows you to set VOA as your new alarm sound you like. Just a simple voice command to control the alarm clock after Alexa's awareness. Connect to your mobile device. You can control the wake-up light via app Smart Life. 7 light colors and 20 brightness levels are available, personalized for you. Himvision, sleep better, wake up refreshed.
Then you might really like the Bose Home Speaker 500. But before I get to the sound and the design and the controls and the app, I just have to say, this thing has a microphone mute button. That's pretty cool. The overall design and feel of this device is very nice. It's very premium, so that's largely due to the anodized aluminum housing. This comes in 2 colors. I got the black model, but there's also a white model. It really just has that Bose look. So on the left, there's the voice assistant action button, and then you've got your volume and play and pause buttons right in the middle, and then an aux and Bluetooth button over on the right. And then underneath those, you've got 6 preset buttons, which you can use to jump right into your favorites, no voice assistant required. And there's an aux port in the back too. The app that you're gonna use with this speaker is the Bose Music app, which is pretty clean and pretty easy to navigate. Here, you're gonna be able to set and change your presets. You can see what's recently been played. You can browse through the various connected music sources, and you can access the speaker's settings. One thing I know a lot of people are gonna appreciate is the ability to adjust the bass and treble settings within the app, because not every speaker lets you do that. If you're looking for a clear speaker with no distortion and you want some impressive bass as well, then this is gonna be pretty satisfying. But to get a stereo effect out of a single solitary speaker, that's unique. You will definitely be able to fill up an entire room with rich sound from your favorite music, podcasts, radio shows, or whatever. Oh, and this thing also gets loud, like really loud. The sound is great. I wasn't disappointed with it in any way, and I really do think that rich is the best word to describe it.